In the spring of 2021, our family lost our employer-provided health insurance due to slowdowns because of the pandemic. At about $2,000 a month, COBRA wasn't an option for us as we were also juggling other bills. Like millions of other Americans, we were struggling in ways that we hadn't before. A loss in health insurance meant choosing between stopping necessary medication or paying hundreds of dollars out of pocket. At a time when we needed it most, mental health care wasn't accessible. I had no idea how to do this. How to pay for medications for my daughter out of pocket, how to sleep at night worried about emergencies and potential bankruptcy with hospital bills. I was overwhelmed and afraid. When you're facing that much stress, following applications, trying to navigate systems, it looks like you're looking up at a mountain from the bottom up and you don't know what to do. I felt like I was drowning, and the supports I had leaned on throughout the pandemic, such as mental health care, wasn't there. Thankfully, I was able to reach out to a friend who connected me with an ACA navigator. Her name was Nancy, and she was in Northern Virginia. I remember because of her warmth and kindness that afternoon. Over the phone, Nancy walked me step by step through the application process, through pay statements, through passwords and security questions all over the phone. Her patience was stunning, and line by line we figured things out. We were states apart, but it felt like she was holding my hand in my kitchen at my table saying it's going to be all right. After months of fear, stress, and worry, there were definitely tears of relief that day. And do you know what? Nancy was right. My family qualified for insurance through the ACA marketplace. My daughter was able to continue her medication, which helped support her quality of life. I was able to access mental health services. I could sleep easier at night, knowing we were covered if, heaven forbid, an accident should happen. When my husband had work again, we regained insurance through his employer. The ACA marketplace caught us when we needed it most. I am grateful to hear our elected officials are prioritizing access to health care through the Inflation Reduction Act. Because they did this in the past with COVID support, our family was able to be covered during a stressful time. Because of their continued support with the IRA, more Granite State families like mine will be able to sleep a little easier at night knowing that healthcare isn't something I have to worry about. Thank you so much for your time.